Hi everyone, welcome to Julie's Kitchen. Today we're making ice cream. Today helping me is Erina.
Hi.
This is our second time doing it, but not in a bag this time and failing.
Our first time was a failure.
We got an ice cream maker.
Yay!
Here's what you need. We're gonna mix together the milk, heavy cream, cheese, cocoa powder. We're using the dark chocolate one. Ooh. Vanilla extract, the espresso powder. Mix it. We're gonna put it on a medium heat until it's warm
and all mixed together.
Yeah. So this is all mixed. Now we're gonna take it off heat and have it cool down. Boop. Our egg yolks, white sugar.
Yummy.
Mix it together until it's well combined and fluffy. So we have our hot mixture and the yolk mixture. We're gonna take the hot mixture into the yolk so it doesn't scramble the eggs and mix it till it's well combined, and then leave it out in the fridge to chill. Words.
You said scrambled eggs. I was like, oh.
I'm gonna take the hot mixture into the yolk and mix so it's well combined. Oh my god, I can't pour with my left hand. I'm sorry. We have the hot mixture. We're just gonna let it chill in the fridge till it's just cool.
Chill.
Oh my god!
I knew it!
So we have our chilled mixture and we're gonna take it to the ice cream machine.
Yay!
There's dogs everywhere.
With long nails.
Here we go. Hi, Poppy. So I put our ice cream bin in the freezer for about 14 hours, and now we're gonna put the mixture in it. Give it a quick mix. Pour it in. Put the lid on until it clicks, and then we're going to mix it for about 40 minutes. Yay! We'll check on it after the 30-minute mark to see how it's doing, and then we'll add in our chocolate chips and pecans. Yay! So we have our ice cream and we're gonna try it.
Yay!
Ooh.
Oh. Hard.
It's got a really good coffee flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I just like zoomed to the camera.
Coffee.
Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye!
Oh my god. Touch it.
Wow.
Funny.
Should we just have one or both? Do one. Oh. That one's showing a nut.